What's up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender because I'm the master of all the shop elements. And today I'm continuing my pen making series by making pen number 7 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far the collection is coming along really nicely. Today's pen was super satisfying to make, and I feel very fortunate to have been able to get my hands on some wood from this tree, because today's pen comes from the olive tree. And I should say right off the bat, I seriously got sucked into a deep rabbit hole researching facts and properties about the olive tree and olive wood, because the ideas and history and symbolism that come from olive trees during our human history is just really fascinating. And because of that, this video will probably be the longest in my pen making series, simply because of the amount of material that I'm going to end up sharing with you today. So starting out, I'll talk about the olive tree itself and then the wood and its features. The olive tree is an evergreen tree native to Mediterranean Europe, Asia, and Africa. It is short and wide and rarely exceeds 25 to 50 feet in height, while the trunk is on average 3 to 5 feet in diameter. Olive tree lifespans are 300 to 600 years, but there are cases of the trees living much longer. In fact, the oldest surviving olive tree is disputed, with several candidates being found across the Mediterranean and other territories across the world. There is an olive tree on the island of Brijuni in Croatia that has a confirmed age of around 1600 years, while one in Athens was aged at 2400 years until it was uprooted in 1975 after a traffic accident. Man, I bet whoever the dude was who hit that tree, he probably had to move to a different country after being responsible for the death of the oldest living olive tree. I wouldn't really be surprised if his mother didn't even love him anymore. Anyways, olive oil has long been considered sacred and holy. The leafy branches of the olive tree were offered in rituals to deities and to powerful figures as emblems of purification. Today, olive oil is still used in many religious ceremonies. Because of the fruit's economic importance, healthy, cultivated olive trees aren't felled for lumber. Availability is generally limited to pruned branches, trimmings, and diseased or storm-damaged orchard trees. Because of these factors, olive wood and its products are relatively expensive. The wood is hard and strong and has fantastic working characteristics, making it a favorite for wood turning and carving. What makes this hardwood so unique is the extraordinary grain pattern of each individual piece. Common uses of the wood include kitchen utensils, carved wooden bowls, cutting boards, fine furniture, and decorative items. It was really a great privilege today to have been able to make a pen from such a universally renowned and respected tree. My pen turned out beautifully, and I'm very happy to add it to my collection. So thanks for sticking around and watching this episode in my series. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.